Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing an unboxing on the Lanmu wall mount for the Amazon Fire TV Cube. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at all the parts that come with it. So, just gonna slice open the top here. One cool thing about this wall mount is it does come with all the parts that you need and some extra ones as well. So let's start with the main piece. So this part obviously goes in the wall. Your Fire Cube would sit right here. You get a little space in the back where you can actually leave your remote. So that's pretty cool. You do get anchor screws, and you get the wall screws as well. So you get 3, so just don't mess up because you got a perfect number there to mount them. And then you also get an L bracket, an HDMI little L input, so you can basically plug it into the back, and then you can just run your HDMI right in just like that. So they've thought of everything, and this device is really inexpensive. I want to say it's under 20 bucks. And so basically allow you to wall mount your Fire TV Cube so you can have it clean and plush right next to your TV. So I will leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out further. But if you have a Fire TV Cube, this is just one of the cleanest ways to, again, get it set up and really look nice. And that's all she wrote, guys. So hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.